In today's video, I'll be showing you how to view physical keyboard shortcuts on your Samsung Galaxy A14. Now, if you have a physical keyboard like this, then you might get confused about what shortcuts you can use to make your experience more profitable. To change that and to understand your keyboard shortcuts, go to Settings, and under Settings, scroll down until you find General Management. Tap on that. Look for the option Physical Keyboard, and here you should see Keyboard Shortcuts. Tap on that. A list of shortcuts will appear on your screen. You'll have shortcuts for the system, and if you use this tab at the bottom, you can also have shortcuts available for your apps. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below, and we'll get back to you.